Buenos dias, damas y caballeros. Yesterday, my friend, Attorney Levi Baligod, reacted to reports that former President and now Deputy Speaker Gloria Macapagal Arroyo is behind this operation, this PR ops, this political ops to bring down or to destroy and demolish the credibility of President Bongbong Marcos and the Marcos administration, so that Sara can Vice President Sara Duterte can take over the helms of power. So sabi ni Atty. Baligod, walang katotohanan yan. Kuan lang, this is we are doing this for love of God and country. God, love of God and country. So okay, so sabi niya yun, sila lang daw yun, sila lang, wala daw involvement. Una, he also denied na meron 300 million ops funds from the husband of Vice President Sara na si Mans Carpio. Yun, sila lang daw for God and country. Okay, so ngayon sabi rin niya wala rin daw involvement itong si Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Sila lang daw yan, sila lang ni Mike Defensor, or sila lang, hindi niya sinabi kami ni Mike Defensor. So contrary to the denial ni best friend na si Atty. Levi Baligod and my former client, PR client, the hand of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo is everywhere. As we reported in our last vlog, kitang-kita talaga na all her lieutenants, tingnan nyo, si Mike, not surprising na kasi matagal na si Mike in the scene defending Sara Duterte. Siyempre Gloria Macapagal Arroyo boy talaga yan. Pero nakita natin recently, lumantad si former Chief of Staff and former Presidential Management Staff ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo na isang high position talaga. Parang ikaw yun in charge to keep the whole of Malacanang in good running operation. Morning. So kumbaga the fact na lumantad si Speron pagkatapos yung mga 103 generals, colonels and high ranking AFP, PNP, Navy, Coast Guard officials na associated with Sara and Gloria, this shows na involved talaga si Gloria. So now we link this issue dito sa mga nagpapalabas ng memes na si Gloria Macapagal Arroyo ang ipapatakbo as vice presidential candidate ni Sara Duterte. Now the whole thing makes sense. So maybe posible talaga, there's a big possibility na talagang involved nga si Gloria Macapagal Arroyo dito sa expose ng 18 Marines. Parang kwan ito eh. Parang intended to bring this government to its knees. Isipin mo, 805 billion pesos yan, almost 1 trillion, going to a few officials lang, led by President Bongbong Marcos daw and former Senator Antonio Trillanes. So they really intended that to bring down the government. So the fact that ang mga involved dyan, si Mike Defensor, si from out of the blue, nagpakita ulit si former AFP chief, National Security Advisor pa noon, Esperon, ay really shows na kwan talaga, parang si Gloria talaga ang timon dito. So to what end, to what end? So the objective is to bring down the Marcos administration, and pwede naman kung bumagsak si Marcos, pwede naman rin i-appoint si Gloria as kasi pwede rin pumili ang presidente. Kung maging presidente na si Sara, pwede hindi niya piliin yung dapat sana sa succession, under sa constitution, dapat ang Senate President ang mag-succeed, or the House Speaker. Pero pwede naman i-appoint Deputy Speaker naman si Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. So kung yan ngayon nakita natin na medyo sumemplang yan, plano na yan, pwede plan B ay kung hindi mabaksak yung Marcos administration because of the expose ng 18 Marintes, pwede plan B yun, tatagbo si Sara as si Gloria as VP ni Sara sa 2028. A very formidable force, a vice president, daughter of a president ni Duterte, and then VP niya, former president and vice president. So very strong force talaga, so kaya no wonder si mga bata rin ni Gloria ang gumagalaw ngayon, mga very loyal operators ni Gloria ang gumagalaw, because Gloria stands to benefit the most, either sa pagbaksak ng sa original objective nila para ibaksak ang Marcos administration, or kung manalo sila as President and VP in 2028. So either way, panalo si Gloria. So no wonder na siya, bata niya talaga, or baka pati siya ang talagang very aggressive dito sa mga effort to bring down the Marcos administration. Yan, so yan ang kwan, yan ang kwan nakikita natin, pattern, association, putting the puzzle together. Okay, so very clear, very clear ang involvement ni Gloria for her eventual either appointment or eventual win as Vice President of Sara Duterte. So yan, okay, so ganyan na muna tayo, and we'll be giving you more updates on this issue. Thank you very much everyone for watching. thank you very much for joining me in this morning walk. So, sometimes kung mag-isa ka, medyo boring rin maglakad kasi binibilang mo na lang yung oras. Nag-music ka na lang sa earphone. Ayoko kasi gisingin yung mga anak ko kasi maaga ako naglalakad. So, kung sa hapon sumasama sila. Yung wife ko naman nandun sa business namin sa Zamboanga. So, mag-isa lang tayo. So, boring rin. Kaya masaya rin ako na I get to, to air my political views while walking. Kumbaga, ano naman ngayon, uso yung maraming ginagawa, multitasking. So, I hope you understand. Apologies kung medyo minsan hindi klaro yung sinasabi natin kasi ma-distracted tayo sa mga natin, mga tao na kasalubong natin, yung lugar, ganon. But what's important is naibabahagi ko sa inyo yung mga political views ko while exercising. Hindi rin tayo pwede hindi mag-exercise. Sagrado kan talaga natin yan. Sagrado activity talaga mga 4-5 times a week. So thank you very much everyone for watching and see you in my next vlog.